Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to curve text in Picsart. Curving text in your photos can add a dynamic and stylish touch whether you are designing social media posts, invitations or promotional materials. First of all, launch Open Picsart application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Now from the home page, tap the plus button at the bottom center of the screen and select a photo you want to edit. After selecting an image on the editing screen, go ahead and tap on text at the bottom. Enter your text in the text box and then click on the tick mark at the top right. Now you will be able to add a text layer on your image. To curve the text, make sure that you've selected the text layer on the screen and you'll see several other options at the bottom. Now, find the bend option from the bottom menu and tap on it. In order to bend the text, you must be subscribed to Picsart Plus. Now you'll see a little white dot at the bottom. Simply go ahead and slide it left or right in order to curve the text outwards or inwards. After you've curved the text or bended it according to your preference as desired, you can now go ahead and modify the size, color and position of the text from the bottom menu. And that's how you can easily curve a text in Picsart. That way you can make your design more engaging and visually appealing. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.